welcome to Unique Learning Solution. I have a humble request from you. Kindly watch this video full and use this collocation in English only. That's why I use this collocation in English. It will improve your speaking and writing skills as well. Thanks. List of common collocations using the verb do in English. Do a job, meaning perform work. Example, I need to do a job for my boss. Do a task, meaning complete a piece of work. Example, can you do this task for me? Do business, meaning conduct trade or commerce. Example, they do business with many countries. Do damage, meaning cause harm. Example, the storm did a lot of damage to the city. Do exercise, meaning engage in physical activity. Example, I do exercise every morning to stay fit. Do justice, meaning treat fairly. Example, the court did justice to the accused. Do research, meaning investigate or study. Example, I need to do research before making a decision. Do something right, meaning do something correctly. Example, I want to do this project right the first time. Do well, meaning succeed or perform successfully. Example, she is doing well in her studies. Do wrong, meaning act wrongly. Example, he knows he did wrong and wants to make amends. Do away with, meaning eliminate or get rid of. Get rid of. Example, they did away with the old system and introduce a new one. Do up, meaning tidy or make neat. Example, she did up her hair before going out. Do time, meaning serve a prison sentence. Example, he did time for his crime. Do your best, meaning try as hard as possible. Example, just do your best on the test. Do without, meaning manage without. Example, I can do without that extra luxury. Do something over, meaning repeat or redo. redo. Example, I need to do my math homework. I need to do my math homework over because I made mistakes. Do housework, meaning clean and maintain the home. Example, I usually do housework on weekends. Do a favor. Favor, meaning perform a kindness. Not favor is used in Indian language. In Indian English. FAVOUR is used in Indian English. Example, can you do me a favor and pick up me dry cleaning? Do nothing, meaning not take any action. I don't want to do nothing. I want to be productive. Do a good deed, meaning perform an act of kindness. Example, she did a good deed by helping the homeless. Do your part, meaning contribute what you can. Example, everyone should do their part to help the environment. Do someone a favor, meaning perform a kindness for someone. Note, FAVOUR is used in English, in Indian English for writing and speaking. Example, I shall do you a favor and give you a ride home. Do a double take, meaning look twice in surprise. Example, when I saw him, I did a double take because he looked so different. Do something quickly, meaning act quickly. Example, do this quickly so we can move on to the next thing. Do a lot, meaning perform many actions or activities. Example, she does a lot to help the community. Do a poor job, meaning perform badly or unsatisfactorily. Example, I did a poor job on my presentation. I need to work harder. Do a U-turn, meaning make a U-shaped turn. Example, the driver did a U-turn at the next corner. Do your hair, meaning style your hair or make your hair. Example, she did her hair in a bun for the wedding. Do your nails, meaning paint your nails. Example, I love doing my nails. It is a form of self expression. Do something special, meaning do something extraordinary. Example, let's do something special for your birthday. Do your homework, meaning complete school homework. Example, have you done your homework yet? Do a great job, meaning perform exceptionally well. Example, she did a great job on the project. I am very proud of her.